everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make a rustic wooden patriotic wreath. And I can't wait to share this with you. I want you to know that I have chosen to partner with my very first company with my channel. This is not a decision that I did lightly. You know, I'm approached by many different companies on a weekly basis, and I always turn them down because either they're ridiculously expensive or the products they have just doesn't fit into my channel content. But I decided to give this company a try, and it is called efavormart.com. Now I went and looked on there, and they are well established wedding party event supply company. They're on the West Coast. They have a huge warehouse, and I even looked, they have like 58,000 customer reviews. So I was really impressed with what I saw. I saw that, you know, it's a lot of weddings now are DIY, so they have quite a bit of burlap craft supplies that I can create things. So I just wanted to give you a little heads up that about every few weeks I'm going to share with you a project or something I'm using from efavormart.com, and I encourage you to give them a look. I will have a coupon code below that I will permanently keep in my information down below, and the coupon code is just MMB, and that gives you a 10% discount. You know, if you're like me and live 30-40 minutes from, you know, Hobby Lobby or Michael's, you know, sometimes it's just worth it to buy something online and not have to fight traffic and gas and everything. Let me show you what I picked out for my first project. And it was a bag of these wood slices. Now I went on Hobby Lobby and Michael's, and neither one of those stores have anything like this. Now Michael's does carry wood slices, but they're like 6 inches big around, and they're like for ornaments or something like that. I'm going to take this bag of wood slices and create a rustic patriotic wreath. All right, I have all my supplies pulled out here, and let me show you what I have set out. I failed to mention that my bag of slices has between 30 and 40 slices in it, and the price was $4.99. That is an incredible price, especially for supplies that you just don't see everywhere, and you'll definitely make your project look one of a kind. Now, as far as my wreath form, you could use an embroidery hoop or a wire ring, whatever you have. I just chose to trace a 10-inch dinner plate and then cut an inch ring inside. My slices will be hot glued on there. You'll never see the ring underneath. Now I'm going to decorate some of my slices with patriotic colors, and as far as a bow embellishment, I'm using a roll of the Dollar Tree red burlap. I know this stuff goes pretty quick. You can pick up a solid red ribbon anywhere. And with it being burlap, I think that would coordinate with the wood slices better. A little paintbrush, glue gun. Now I want some of my slices to have a star on them, and you could just print and cut a star pattern, or you could use a sticker or something. I just happen to have a little wooden star that I'm going to trace on my slices, because trying to freehand can get a little difficult, especially trying to get them even. What I need to do now is go ahead and empty my bag and kind of organize my slices and see what sizes I have of each, and try to dry fit them on my ring and see how I'm going to make it all work. So I took the slices and divided them up into 3 groups of 8. So I'm going to have some small and large stars, I'm going to have some small and large stripes, and I'm going to have some small and large solid color. All right, I have all my slices painted up now, and if you will notice, my stars and my stripes and solids are not perfect. I'm by no means an artist, but you know, the imperfectness just plays into the charm and the character of rustic decor, and I think it's going to all work when it gets all put together. So friends, here is my rustic patriotic wood slice wreath. I love how it turned out. The only thing I would have done different is I would have made my cardboard ring a little bigger, because I had plenty of slices left over, plus I didn't have to put slices under where the bow was attached. So I could definitely make a 12 or 14 inch wreath with this. But it is super adorable, one of a kind. You just can't find something like this for $5 or $6 at a craft show. So I hope you enjoyed this, and be sure and check out efavormart.com and look for those wood slices.